Home presents the Lily Sectional Sofa Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This sectional sofa comes as shown with USB ports, a side pocket, and a pull-out design that converts to a queen-size sleeper. To get started, install 4 square legs to the bottom of the chaise frame. Slide the right back onto the chaise frame. Now install 4 round legs to the bottom of the frame. Slide in the back of the frame. Install 2 round legs to the left and right arm. Next, connect the left arm onto the side of the frame. Connect the frame to the chaise frame, and connect the right arm onto the chaise frame. Remove packaging fabric from the back of the cushions. Place the left, right, and middle back cushions into their designated spots. Finally, we will connect the cables. Obtain your Y cable and connect the left and right side of your Y cable onto the back outlets of the frame and chaise frame. Connect the middle part of your Y cable onto your plug cable. Now that you've connected all of the cables, you should be able to plug in your electronic devices to charge. To convert into a sleeper, simply pull out the bottom of your frame, then pull up and push back so it's set. If you pull up the top of your chaise frame, you'll find a storage space. And there you have it. Your Lily sectional sofa is complete and ready for use. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.